This video introduces Surah Al-Araaf, the Heights, based on Tafheem al-Quran by Sayyid Abul Ala Maududi. This surah explores context, themes, and historical significance, serving as a final warning before a pivotal shift in Islamic history. The title, Al-Araaf, translates to the heights or the elevations. Verses 46 to 47 describe a partition between paradise and hell. On these heights, a group will stand, able to discern the inhabitants of both realms, gaining ultimate clarity. Surah Al-Araaf was revealed during the late Mecca period, a time of high tension, concurrent with Surah Al-An'am. The dialogue with the Quraysh had reached a breaking point, signaling the sunset on their engagement. The central theme is Risalat, or prophethood. The primary subject is the invitation to prophethood, persuading the audience to accept and follow the messenger sent by Allah. Acceptance of the messenger is the only path to salvation, and the window for this acceptance is closing. While the message is an invitation, the dominant tone is inzar, admonition and warning. The people of Mecca remained stubborn, and their obstinacy reached a limit. The Prophet is on the verge of being commanded to turn away and look toward others. The surah uses history as an argument, telling the Quraysh, "You are walking the same path as the nations before you." It shows a recurring pattern. Prophets like Nuh, Hud, Salih, Lut, and Shu'aib arrived, were rejected by the privileged, and their stubbornness led to ruin. Towards the end of the surah, a significant shift occurs. The address moves away from the pagan Quraysh to the people of the book, and eventually to humanity at large. This change marks the conclusion of the era of addressing only the immediate neighbors in Mecca. As the address turns toward the Jewish community, the surah highlights the dangers of hypocrisy. This includes adopting a hypocritical attitude, breaking covenants with Allah, and distinguishing truth from falsehood while choosing falsehood for worldly gain. The concluding sections extend a general address to all mankind. This signals that the invitation is breaking the confines of Arabia, setting the stage for the Prophet's mission to become a universal guidance. This shift in address is not accidental. Maududi identifies this as a clear indication that the hijrah, or migration, is imminent. The period where the Prophet ﷺ directed his message solely to his kinsmen has ended, and the mission is about to relocate, expand, and transform. The surah provides divine counsel to the messenger. This includes patience, exercising restraint in the face of provocation, composure, not allowing aggression to incite an emotional response, and focus, taking no action out of anger that would harm the ultimate objective of the mission. Surah Al-A'raf is a monumental divider in the seerah. It marks the end of stubborn rejection in Mecca and the beginning of a global mission. It shows that when truth is rejected by one people, the divine gaze shifts to new horizons.